Bertram Niessen is a sociologist, digital artist, and he's here as a member of the Peer-to-Peer Foundation. Michel Bauwens is the founder of the Peer-to-Peer Foundation, and he will be here online today. And Massimo Menichinelli is a designer researching on how to enable open and peer-to-peer systems, and he's a member of the Peer-to-Peer Foundation.
What we are trying to do tomorrow is, no, this day, sorry, is to make an online talk with Michel, who at the moment is in Chiang Mai in Thailand because he lives there. We are lucky because we have been able to more or less have a connection via Skype, so we are going to see if we can hear the sound properly or not. First of all, we want to thank you. We want to thank you, NABA. We want to thank you, all the people that organized the meeting. And we are today we are going to describe together with Michel the Peer-to-Peer Foundation as an ecosystem of peer learning, but he will go more inside the topic. There is also video that is rendering from Second Life. There is also a video interview with Michel made by Chris, who is another member. And so I think that the best thing is now is to see if Michel is still online.
Hi Michel, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
You're online with the audience now.
So you're online. They can hear you too. So I think that the best thing is that you start presenting the Peer-to-Peer Foundation, because obviously the concept is very well known online, but so it's good to get a bit more deep now.
Okay, well, I would say the best way to explain a P2P foundation is as a global research collaborative in which people on at least 4 continents are working together to understand what we call peer production, peer governance, and peer property. And we use a variety of online tools to advance our knowledge. And we also try to get together physically through conferences and meetings on occasion. So that's a real summary, of course, in a few words, of what we're trying to do. So basically, you know, it's both a scientific endeavor. It's a pluralist project, so we are not ideological in the sense of one view. But we do have, I think, an underlying idea that peer-to-peer is about human emancipation, so that it's a kind of science that wants to change the world and not just describe it.
Okay, so now we are going into there is a bit of feedback. Okay, now we are going a bit into we are going a bit inside the peer-to-peer wiki, and it's good to say maybe something about the chances given by the wiki as an open tool as well.
Yes, well, we've chosen MediaWiki because it's used by the Wikipedia Foundation, Wikimedia Foundation and Wikipedia, and therefore it's a very robust open source community which continues to develop the multimedia capabilities of MediaWiki. And the way we use it is really as our reference tool. So I don't know if you can see the main page of our wiki, but it has 3 columns. And what we do is called opportunistic updating. So when we find interesting articles or projects, we tag them by subject, by resource format, and by country of origin. And this automatically creates a whole series of databases. And for example, I don't know if you can show this, but if you would click on the category education in the middle column, you would see that we have a lot of material that is generated through this tagging of entries on the subject of education.